Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to link your TikTok account to your Facebook profile. So you want people to be able to access or locate your TikTok directly on your intro page on your Facebook account. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do on your Facebook profile page, once you're here, is select the About tab. On the left side, underneath About, you want to select Contact and Basic Info. And then on the right side, underneath Website and Social Links, select the Add Social Link button, and then select Add a Social Link. Select the drop-down in here, and then locate TikTok. At this point, you go ahead and type in your username over here on the left side and select Save. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.